You're standing inside the Church of Tabgha, the Loaves and the Fishes Church. The ancient mosaic you already saw up front is popularized, it's everywhere. But I want to use this church for you to look at the structure of the church around you. Every time the outsider came to a church, they heard the plan of salvation by the architecture. First of all, the cross, the apse, the front of the church up there always faces east. When you walk from the world into the church, you have to face the cross, the resurrection, and the return of Christ, which is what the apse represents. But you weren't allowed in. You had to come out into the narthex, the vestibule area. The non-baptized were never allowed into this nave area. They were only allowed out there. And they had to come in and they had to meet with the people. And if they learned enough about Christianity that they wanted to participate, they would come to the baptismal, which was at the front, and they would have to turn their back on the world, the west, face the east, the cross, and be washed by the waters of baptism. Then, and only then, could they walk into this part, the meeting place with God of the church. And every time they came in, it was the same after they were saved, baptized, after they came to the church. They always came turning their back on the world, coming toward the cross, the resurrection, and the return of Christ. And they would feed. They would come in line and have the bread, of communion given to them, saying that they had to be fed by Christ to live. So let me just read the apse was the focal point and usually constructed over a sacred spot. You saw that under the glass. There's some kind of a representation of holiness. Sometimes the nave was the center of the church. Sometimes, as this church, it's not quite the center, but always the focus was on the east, on the resurrection, and on the return of Christ. And always the baptistry, the people had to turn their back on the world. And what I want you to think about here is that's true Christianity, not Romanism, but the idea that coming to Christ is turning your back on the world, facing Him as the resurrected and returning Christ, and being washed by Him. That architecture is what was the early church structure. What you're standing in is what every ancient church was like, facing the east with the entrance to the west. So when you go through these piles of rocks, when you see the apse, you know you're facing east. You know that was to say Christ died, Christ rose, Christ is coming back. And when you come in, even though most of them are gone, there was a little picture, the baptistry, that they needed to be cleansed by the blood of Christ in order to fellowship with Him. I love coming in these churches because the orientation of the building reminds me of the truth of the gospel. Amen?